Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from RedotPay to bank account. So first of all, you just have to launch your RedotPay application, then log in into your account first if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page, tap on the option of more. Then in the transaction, simply tap on the option of withdraw. Now over here select the option of withdraw local currency, and then you will be landed here on this particular page where the very first thing that you need to do is to simply tap on the option of USD or this drop down menu, and then you need to select that particular currency in which you want to withdraw the money. After doing so, you just have to enter the amount. Now over here you will notice that in order to withdraw money, the minimum amount that should be in your account should be 100 USD. So make sure that you have sufficient amount of money available. Afterwards, tap on the option of select and add account, and then you can either add your Swift account for international transfers, or you can also add your local bank account. So here tap on this particular option, then tap on this drop down menu again, and among the given countries you just have to simply select your own country. Then you need to select the option of local bank account. So here you can also add UPI ID and the local bank transfer. So now you need to start providing your banking details like your first name, your last name, the IFSC code, the bank name and the account number, and then you just have to simply save your details. Now as soon as you do that, you are going to see the option of your bank account over here. Then you can enter the amount and then press continue, and you can just simply follow further on screen instructions in order to transfer your money from the RedotPay account to your bank account very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.